Welcome back to Finkrem Agent. Today we are diving into the intriguing world of economic development corporations and their unintended role in money laundering schemes. If you're not familiar with this type of money laundering issues, then you are definitely watching the right piece of content today if you want to learn something new. So let's jump right into today's video. So first thing first, let's break down what economic development corporations are, also known as EDCs. These entities are created to promote economic growth and development in specific regions or communities. They often receive funding from public sources and also enjoy certain tax advantages. But here is where it gets tricky. Due to their nature and financial flows, EDCs can become attractive vehicles for money laundering. So imagine a bustling city, new buildings are rising, businesses are booming, and this is all thanks to the investment that are managed by economic development corporations. However, behind this facade of growth, some may use these corporations to hide illegal financial activities. To understand this better, let's examine a real-life case that demonstrates the vulnerabilities within economic development corporations. For instance, in Utah, an individual working for Paiute Indian tribe, Jeffrey Charles Zender, was found guilty of money laundering among other charges. Zender, in his role with the tribe, diverted over $175 from grants that were meant for the tribe into his own pocket. He created fictitious companies and invoices to facilitate this fraud, showcasing how funds can be misappropriated and rules bypassed under the guise of legitimate operations. So the question is, how is the industry responding now? To combat these risks, regular audits, stringent compliance check, and the enhanced due diligence process are becoming a norm now in the industry. As you know, for economic development corporations, transparency isn't just a buzzword, it is in fact a necessity, and financial institutions are stepping up their game. So they're implementing more sophisticated monitoring systems to detect unusual transaction patterns, also involving EDCs, and banks are also training staff more rigorously on anti-money laundering protocols and collaborating closely with regulatory bodies to share information about suspicious activity. So this approach not only helps in identify the potential misuse of EDCs, but also strengthen the overall financial system against various forms of financial crime. As highlighted in a Research FDI article, advancements in technology are reshaping economic development by revolutionizing industries through automation, digitalization, and an increased emphasis on data and analytics. So these technologies are enabling EDCs to streamline operations, improve decision-making, and staying vigilant against financial crime, while safeguarding their integrity and fostering growth in the digital economy. So understanding the complexities of economic development corporations and their vulnerabilities to money laundering is another crucial perspective to be aware of, particularly for those of you that are operating in the anti-money laundering sector. But anyway, I think that whether you are a professional in our field or just an informed citizen, staying vigilant and remaining informed is always a good thing. And with that, we are at the end of today's video focusing on economic development corporations. If you've learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of my regulatory compliance and financial crime insights. If you want to support my Finkrem Agent project, you will find my Patreon link in the video description, or you can just show your love with a super thanks directly on this YouTube video. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see you soon.